Well, the world of cryptocurrency can be a confusing one, filled with technical jargon and unfamiliar platforms. But fear not, fellow explorer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, to answer a burning question: does Gemini have a wallet? Let's face it, when you're venturing into the exciting, and sometimes volatile, world of crypto, having a secure and reliable wallet is paramount. It's your digital vault, holding your precious Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whichever cryptocurrencies pique your interest. So, understanding how Gemini handles this crucial aspect is vital before you take the plunge. Now, buckle up because we're about to unpack Gemini's wallet system, explore its features, and see if it stacks up against the competition. First things first, the good news: yes, absolutely, Gemini comes with a built-in hot wallet. This means you don't need to go through the hassle of setting up a separate wallet service. It's all conveniently integrated into your Gemini account. Think of it as a one-stop shop for buying, selling, and storing your crypto. But what exactly is a hot wallet? Unlike its cooler counterpart, the hardware wallet, which we'll get to in a bit, a hot wallet is a software-based solution. It's readily accessible online, allowing for easy transactions and quick access to your funds. This makes it incredibly convenient for everyday crypto activities, like buying that NFT you've been eyeing or topping up your crypto debit card. Now, some of you might be wondering, is a hot wallet safe enough? Security is a top priority when dealing with cryptocurrency, and Gemini understands that. They've implemented robust security measures to keep your hard-earned crypto safe. Here are some highlights. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, like a code from your phone, when logging in or making transactions. Regular security audits. Gemini takes proactive measures by undergoing regular security audits to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. Custody insurance. They offer insurance on your held crypto assets, providing an additional safety net in case of unforeseen circumstances. While these measures inspire confidence, it's important to remember that hot wallets are inherently more susceptible to online attacks compared to hardware wallets. Think of it like this: a hot wallet is like keeping your cash in a secure purse you carry everywhere, while a hardware wallet is like depositing it in a bank vault. So, if you're planning on holding large amounts of crypto for the long term, a hardware wallet might be a better option for its superior security. But for everyday transactions and smaller holdings, Gemini's built-in hot wallet offers a convenient and secure solution. Now, let's address another common question: does Gemini offer any additional wallet features? Absolutely. Here are some noteworthy perks. Flexible wallet management. You can easily create multiple wallets within your Gemini account. This allows you to separate your trading funds from your long-term holdings, making organization and tracking a breeze. Interest earning opportunities. Gemini offers a program called Gemini Earn, where you can lend your holdings and earn interest on certain cryptocurrencies. This is a great way to potentially grow your crypto portfolio passively. Free transfers between Gemini accounts. Sending crypto to another Gemini user is completely free, making it a budget-friendly option for transactions between friends or family. Overall, Gemini's built-in wallet offers a user-friendly and secure solution for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. It's convenient, integrates seamlessly with the platform's other features, and provides basic security measures. However, if top-notch security is your ultimate concern, especially for larger holdings, you might want to consider pairing your Gemini account with a hardware wallet for an extra layer of protection. Remember, the best wallet choice depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the option that best suits your crypto journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.